Morning Year 4, welcome to today's maths lesson. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, today's date is the 2nd of the 3rd, 21, and today's learning objective to be able to convert between days, weeks, months and years. If you could write that now in your books. Well done. Okay, we're going to do a quick review. So you've got 4 questions, each with 3 choices. I'd like you to pause the video now and have a go at this. Well done. Let's go through our answers then. So I'm going to take a purple pen. So 1 hour in minutes is, of course, 60 minutes. 1 minute in seconds is 60 seconds. So 3 hours in minutes. Well, I can use my 6 times table. I can think 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 times 60 is 180. And 240 minutes in hours, well, again, using my 6 times table, I can think to myself, well, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So 240 divided by 60 equals 4. So the answer is 4 hours. Okay, now today we're going to be thinking about days, years, months. And so we're going to need to really understand what each one really means, which I'm sure you really have a good idea about, but let's just go through each one in turn. So days. Each day starts at midnight at 12 o'clock when you're fast asleep and ends the next midnight. So each day is 24 hours long. Okay, and this is what it would look like. So it goes from midnight all the way through to the next section of midnight in 24 hours time. Now, here we have a calendar and it shows the weeks in the month. 1 week is 7 days long. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are all the months, which hopefully you know and can spell. 1 month is approximately 30 days long, and that would be about 4 weeks. Here's a little rhyme to help us remember how many days there are in each month. Let me read it to you. 30 days hath September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February alone, which only has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. I find this really helpful to help me remind me how many days there are in each month. And finally, years. A year is 12 months long. It is also usually 365 days long. If it is a leap year, it is 366 days long. So 1 year equals 12 months, or 365 days, or 366 in a leap year. And a year, this is a really nice way of remembering it. If you think about your birthday, and then your next birthday is in a year's time, or from one Christmas to the next. Oops. Now let's just see how all that fits together. Here's a lovely diagram to show us. There's 1 day. Look, there's 7 days to make 1 week. And then approximately 4 weeks or 30 days in 1 month. And 1 year, which is 365 or 366 days. Here's a calendar. Have a look closely at it now. What can you see? Look at the red arrows and see what they show. That's right, at the top here, this is the year. So this is a calendar for 2019. Here you can see is the month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, oh, July, there's 2 Julys there. That's interesting. I don't know why. September, October, November and December. That's interesting. I'm not sure why that is like that. And there's dates. So these are the individual dates for each day. And these letters here indicate the days of the week. Look how it starts on Sunday. That's the first day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we're going to convert different times and find equivalent times for the rest of today's lesson. Let's start with this question. How many months are there in 3 years and 2 months? Pause the video now and see if you can work that out. You might need to go back to the video earlier to find out exactly how many days there are. Or how many months there are in 1 year. Okay, so in 1 year there are 12 months. Therefore, 3 years equals 3 multiplied by 12, which would equal 36. 36, add on the 2 extra months, equals 38. There are 38 months in 3 years and 2 months. What is 29 months in years? Pause the video and have a think about that now. Well, 12 months equals 1 year. 24 months equals 2 years. The difference between 24 and 29 months is 5 months. The answer is 2 years and 5 months. How many days are there in 7 weeks and 4 days? Pause the video and have a think about that now. Well, in 1 week there are 7 days. In 2 weeks there are 14 days. In 7 weeks there are 49 days. Do you see how you could use the 7 times table to help you work this out? Because 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 49, add on those 4 extra days, is 53 days. There are 53 days in 7 weeks and 4 days. Pause the video now and have a go at this checkpoint question. How many days are there in 3 weeks? Is it A, 14 days, B, 20 days, C, 21 days, or D, 28 days? Well, the answer, using the 7 times table to help us, is 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. There are 7 days in 1 week, so in 3 weeks there are 21 days. And so C is our correct answer. If you got that correct, start on step 2, please. If you didn't, start on step 1 and then mark it. And if you got everything correct, please go on to step 2 and carry on. Here's step 1. And the answers. Here's step 2. And the answers. Step 3, where you need to fill in the missing blanks. And the answers. And digging deeper. And the answers.